Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. You must be the organizer with a valid payment method and family members signed in to their accounts. Open Settings, tap your name, and choose Family Sharing or Google Family Link depending on platform, then add members by email or invite code. Once done, make sure Purchase Sharing is toggled on and review the shared payment method. This gets you into the first actionable state, so purchases can flow to approved family devices immediately. Next, you handle the middle steps. Define what gets shared and how. In Family Settings, enable Purchase Sharing and choose apps, subscriptions, and media to include. For Google, check Play Family Library options. Once done, have each member accept the invite and verify their account settings so shared purchases appear in their store library. If you manage minors, enable Ask to Buy or Approval workflows. This prevents unintended charges and keeps control while preserving seamless access. To finish, verify on each device that shared apps are visible in the family library and installable without repurchase. You may need to tap Purchases or Family to find them. Once installed, test updates and in-app purchases to confirm billing flows to the organizer. If something fails, make sure app is shareable, all accounts are in the same country, and the organizer's payment method is valid. If problems persist, sign out and back in or contact platform support. This often refreshes family permissions and resolves lingering issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.